Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to create a drop-down list in Excel. Creating a drop-down list can make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive into it and simplify your data management like a pro. Method 1. Open the Excel workbook. For this method 1, I list vegetables and fruit names in the second worksheet. Select the cell where you want the drop-down list. For example, I am selecting this blank cell of B1 for the product names list. Click on the Data tab in the ribbon. Select Data Validation from the Data Tools group. In the Data Validation dialog box, go to the Settings tab. Under Allow, choose List from the drop-down options. In the source field, click the range icon on the right side. Now, click on Sheet 2 at the bottom and select the range of product names. Click on the range icon again in the Data Validation and click on the OK button. This will create a list of product names. Now, select the next blank cell of B2. Click on the Data Validation in the ribbon. Under Allow, choose List from the drop-down options. In the source field, type the items for your list, separated by commas, for example, fruits, vegetables. Click OK to save and apply the drop-down list to the selected cell. Similarly, we will create a list of stock status in the blank cell of B3. This time, we will type the status in the sources field, in stock, out of stock. Test the drop-down list by clicking the arrow in the cell. Method 2. Convert your list of items into a table by selecting the range and pressing Ctrl+T. Click OK to create the dynamic drop-down list. Let's try and see how this drop-down will behave. We hope this tutorial made creating drop-down lists in Excel easy and fun. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.